Welcome back to Outstanding Guru YouTube channel. Which Indian state shares its border with the most number of other Indian states? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian city is called the City of Lakes? Answer is Udaipur. Which Indian classical dance originates from Kerala? Correct answer is Kathakali. Which Indian state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer is Kerala. Which is the largest port in India? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru Port. What is the total number of union territories in India? Answer is 8. Where is the headquarters of the Indian Army? Answer is New Delhi. Which Indian state has the largest forest area? Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian city is famous for diamond cutting and polishing? Answer is Surat. What is the total number of high courts in India? Correct answer is 25. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Answer is A.O. Hume. What is the theme of the Indian national emblem? Yes, you're right. Answer is Satyameva Jayate. Which river originates from Amarkantak Plateau? Correct answer is Narmada. Which Indian city is known as the Manchester of India? Answer is Ahmedabad. Which Indian scientist won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930? Correct answer is C.V. Raman. Where is the famous Meenakshi temple located? Very good. Correct answer is Madurai. Which Indian lake is the largest freshwater lake? Answer is Vular Lake. Which Indian leader is associated with the Salt March? Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. What is the oldest mountain range in India? Answer is Aravallis. Where is the headquarters of the Indian Space Research Organization? Answer is Bengaluru. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Very good. Answer is Indira Gandhi. Which Indian state is the largest producer of tea? Correct answer is Assam. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort in Delhi? Answer is Shah Jahan. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Answer is Gujarat. In which year did India become a republic? Correct answer is 1950. Which planetarium is located in Kolkata and is one of the largest in Asia? Correct answer is Birla Planetarium. Which Indian city is famous for its IT industry and is called Silicon Valley of India? Very good. Answer is Bengaluru. Which Indian state is known for the Gir National Park and Asiatic lions? Answer is Gujarat. Which famous Indian monument was designed by Ustad Ahmad Lahori? Correct answer is Taj Mahal. Which Indian state is the largest producer of cotton? Answer is Gujarat. Which Indian state is the leading producer of sugarcane? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who was the first Indian woman to go to space? Very good. Answer is Kalpana Chawla. Which Indian mountain pass connects Srinagar to Leh? Answer is Zojila Pass. Which is the largest dam in India by volume? Correct answer is Hirakud. Which Indian state is the leading producer of jute? Answer is West Bengal. Who wrote the Indian national song Vande Mataram? Very good. Answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya. Which Indian state has the highest tribal population? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian river flows westward and drains into the Arabian Sea? Answer is Narmada. Which Indian personality was known as the Iron Man of India? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which Indian state is known for the Bihu festival? Correct answer is Assam. Which Indian city is home to the Bhabha Atomic Research Center? Answer is Mumbai. Who composed the national anthem of India? Easy one. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which Indian port is located on the eastern coast? Answer is Paradeep. In which state is the Valley of Flowers National Park located? Answer is Uttarakhand. Which freedom fighter is known as Lokmanya? Very good. Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which city is known as the Steel City of India? Answer is Jamshedpur. Which place is famous for chicken curry embroidery? Answer is Lucknow. Which Indian president was also a scientist and known for his work in missiles? Very good. Answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Which Indian wildlife sanctuary is famous for one-horned rhinoceros? Answer is Kaziranga. Which Indian city is known as the cleanest city of India? The answer is Indore. Congratulations, you have finally completed all 50 questions. How many answers did you get right? Comment below. For more interesting and general knowledge videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Outstanding Guru.